Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is Joel, and today we're looking at Drive Plus, which is an amazing new product that you can do so many things with in the car. Track where you're going, Wi-Fi hotspots, exporting trip data to save on money at tax time. Let's get into some of the top features with this brand new product. That's the unit right there, Drive Plus. It is SIM card based, just like a cell phone. This is going to plug in directly to your OBD2 port right in the car, the same way a mechanic would check to see what is wrong with your vehicle. Generally, these OBD2 ports are going to be found underneath the steering wheel. In this particular 2017 Honda Civic, you are going to find it just to the left of the steering wheel. Plug it in, and it's ready to go. You know, a major feature of Drive Plus is the ability to, track all of these trips and mark them as business or personal. The amount of money that you can save around tax time when you say that you don't have driven, 4,000 kilometers for work this year, and you've got it all documented down to the time you left, how many kilometers you drove, and you don't have to add anything up by hand. That's the amazing part of Drive Plus. This is one thing that really people are excited about with this product, and that is the error codes that Drive Plus will show you, and gives you basically what's wrong with the car, so that you don't have to go to the mechanic and completely not know what is wrong with your vehicle. When your engine light comes on, it's actually going to tell you, which is incredible. It's going to tell you what's wrong with it. It's going to tell you if it's an oxygen sensor, or maybe it's the radiator, or who knows what's wrong with the car. But this actually gives you the confidence to know what's happening with the vehicle, so you can actually avoid a lot of those fees that the shops will charge you. It's called a diagnostic fee. You basically go into the car shop, and you tell them what's wrong with it. You've got the documentation. It's really awesome. The other thing is if you're confident, you can even order your own parts, because you know which part is faulty in your car, so you're gonna be able to order that, bring it to the mechanic, avoid the markup. It's gonna be fantastic. A real major benefit of this product also is the Wi-Fi hotspot feature, especially if you've got a family and you're on one of those road trips, maybe you're going to the water park or to the park, or just wherever you're going. This is an option that gives your vehicle Wi-Fi, so the kids can use the tablet, they can go on Facebook, they can check out a little YouTube, and just keep themselves entertained while they're on the road. So that is magical, especially if you have kids that need to be entertained on a regular basis on those long trips. It's very easy to set it up. You can even change the network name to something fun, something that you'll enjoy, that other people will see. If you're a business, for example, this is going to actually be potential free advertising for you, because people are going to be looking for Wi-Fi hotspots walking around, and they're going to see your business name. So that's pretty darn cool. And of course, you can set up the password, so only those that you authorize will use your own Wi-Fi. Especially for parents, their child is driving for the first time, maybe they're 16, 17, 18 years old, and you just want to know that your child is safe out on the road. You want to make sure that they're not going into places that they shouldn't be. You want to make sure that they're not speeding, overly excessively speeding, that it tracks if they're braking really hard and being hard on the car. So this is a really a peace of mind product for any parent. Let's say your parents are, getting older, and maybe you just want to know that they're safe and they're not, stuck somewhere. They're getting to where they need to go. They haven't gone off the road. So there's so many applications for being able to track the vehicle, whether it's somebody young driving the car or someone a little bit more elderly. There's really an application and a use for all types of situations. Another real important thing about Drive is the ability to see if anybody's fooling around with your car, breaking into it, damaging it while you're not in the vehicle. Let's say that you're at work, and you all of a sudden get a notification on your phone that your vehicle has been hit. Well, maybe that's a potential way to get a license plate number if it was a hit and run, or if somebody's actively breaking into the vehicle. That is the Drive Plus, available at Open Connection with all the features it can do. There are amazing specials on the product right now for a limited time. Get a hold of us. We can be reached at openconnection.com, or of course toll-free 1-800-267-8100. My name is Joel. We'll see you guys on the road with your Drive Plus.